Guys, you know that moment like when you realize you literally reached the next level? Like I'm crying right now if you look at this. And I realize I just reached the next level and I'm just freaking out because I just came across something that is literally freaking me out. My ROI on this thing's like, how much is that? 500 divided by 50, that's 10x ROI. I didn't do anything. I just put the money in and it made that much. And that's just the test. In the next couple of days, I'm going to throw 1,000 a day at it. And that's going to be like 5 grand just from that income stream a day. And then I could throw like, if I wanted to, 10 grand a day at this. And I'm just like freaking out because guys, when you know you reach the next level to something, it's just so gratifying. And I can't say what it is, but I just want to say that when you go through your journey of discovering different things and opportunities and gaining knowledge and forming strategies to take action, that's all I did here. I had a lot of knowledge, formed a strategy, took action on it. This is a passive income stream that literally is one of the biggest opportunities I've ever found. I tested this week. Okay, I just checked the end of the day stats and I am just mind blown because literally, and I'll tell you one hint, it's in adult marketing. Adult marketing is one of the biggest opportunities underground you've ever seen. You can promote any offer. You don't have to see anything bad, okay? This is what this strategy is. It's very underground. Like, whoo! Bro, I don't know what to say. This is so insane. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that I want to inspire you that when you reach the next phase, okay, in your journey to the next thing, it's just so incredibly insane. I'm freaking out right now. I don't know what to do because I just realized I could do anything. Because the different income streams, okay, let me explain this. There are different income streams. There's income streams that are passive. There's income streams that take work to maintain. There's income streams that are extremely passive but very big, that require no work. When you come across something that requires no work at all, you just put money in and make huge ROIs like 10x every day, that's the thing you really are after that you don't know yet, but now you're aware of. That's the thing you're really after. Whew, this is crazy. I just looked at it and I just instantly picked up my phone. I just wanted to talk about how I'm feeling because I want to remember this moment because I'm like, this is the beginning of something even bigger, something more crazy. I'm freaking out right now. All I can say is, guys, I teach this stuff inside the adult course. I teach this stuff inside the super affiliate course. If you want all the courses, mega bundle, that's the mega bundle. I am going to give you a hint. I didn't even use a funnel to do this. I put money into something and I made back 10x ROI and I'm doing this again and again now. And I'm freaking out, bro. This is so weird. Wow, okay. I'm gonna get back to work, but holy crap. Oh, check out this pumpkin I did just for fun the other day because it's Halloween time. I did it like within like 3 minutes. So it was just for fun. And then this one's not even done yet, my friend. So yeah, so guys, I just want to inspire you. That's what this is all about. I came from nothing, bro. Okay, I did not get any handouts, no help my whole life, other than obviously being able to have shelter and food, okay, from parents. And I sacrificed so much time with friends, family, and even my health to basically learn the knowledge and everything about this whole industry and then some. And once again, I'm saying like I sacrificed like crazy. It was very painful and I made through it. And now here I am. And I don't know what next is going to happen. I don't know what next level I'm going to reach. I just know that when you climb one mountain, there's a new mountain to climb. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned through the journey because I can tell you right now, I may share this in the future, what this is, okay? But I do talk about inside the adult course, okay? And just implemented this crazy advanced thing that anyone could do that is just so crazy. I don't know how to explain it other than I'm so mind blown by this result, I literally want to just jump and fly, like literally just fly. Have you ever had that feeling? I literally feel like jumping in the air, somehow being able to fly, and that I can. Like, I feel that way. It's crazy. Okay, so now you know how I feel, and hopefully you feel inspired, motivated about this stuff, because marketing is one of the most powerful ways you can ever make money ever. Okay, it's the best thing to ever invest money in, all that. Okay, this is marketing that I'm doing here. So anyway, I will see you guys in more videos, and peace out.